check this one out here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This thing's kind of like a time capsule right out of the 80s. It's a 1987 Ford F-150 Supercab 4x4. Fuel injected 5-liter underneath the hood. Of course, nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC. That's paired up with an automatic transmission. As you can take a look at the chrome up front and the grille. Clean Carfax, actually one family owned since new. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Now, this appears to be original paint, so it does show its age a little bit. You can see it's a little bit hazy, but does not appear that it has been repainted. And I want to show you around the wheel wells, the lower rockers on this truck. It appears it's one that was used for camping, pulling a camper. And I'll show you what I'm getting at here in just a second when we get around to the rear of the truck. But you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. And you don't see any bubbling, patchwork, anything like that. Extremely clean truck. Of course, the Super Cab with the jump seat in the back, and that is foldable. Cloth bucket seats up front, CB, and an old school radar detector, Whistler 5. Set up to go down the highway, like I said, maybe pulling a camper, fishing boat. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. They did have in the notes new fuel pumps on it, so I'm assuming there's one in each tank. Here's what I wanted to show you. Set up for sleeping quarters back here. And then you can also lift this center piece out, the 3 of them there, so you could have a seating area there also. There's also storage underneath that seating area. So like I said, kind of set up. Maybe the kids stayed in there if the parents had a camper. Does not appear that it's been driven in inclement weather or any winters, let's put it that way. Again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside. uniqueclassiccars.com. And then take a look down the driver's side. And again, the lower rockers, around the wheel wells, cab corners, and then as a whole, just the whole driver's side of the truck. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Yeah, the paint's slightly faded, shows its age a little bit, but wow. Power windows, power locks. And look at the condition of the door panels. Not cracked, broken, discolored. Take a look at these seats. I left the seat cover on here just because I think it's been on there since day one, judging by the condition of those seats. So we'll go ahead and leave those on. Don't want to show any wear on that seat that doesn't need to be there since it's been covered prior. Headliner. Like I said, just like a time capsule from the 80s. Speaking of which, check out that old school radar detector, Whistler 5. All right, odometer shows 21,575. Again, it's clean Carfax. I can't confirm or deny that. Once a vehicle is so old, the miles do not stay on the title. It gets marked exempt, but you take a look around at this thing, it's unbelievable. AM, FM cassette, and I have had that radio working there. Of course, 4x4 actuator. Dual tanks. Gauge is all working, no check engine lights, anything like that. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. It sounds as you would expect. Again, 5-liter. Fuel injected 302. I'm going to slip up to the front. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this truck for a drive down the road. set the camera up in it, kind of take it for a virtual ride, if you will. But first, let's look at this engine bay real quick. You're not going to believe how clean this is. All right, let's get a look at the underside of the hood. And just when you can tell something is meticulously cared for, it shows. Take a look at this engine bay. How smooth that runs. Again, one owner truck. Same family since new. And again, you can tell they cared for it. '87 Ford F-150 Supercab XLT Lariat 4x4. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1987 Ford F-150. This truck appears to be well maintained. Seats are very nice, carpet, dash, everything is very nice. Solid truck, very good condition. This truck cruises nice and smooth down the road. Tight steering, all our gauges are working. The heater is working, it's actually a little warm right now. Turn that down a little. Factory radio works. It has a cassette. I haven't tested the cassette, but the radio is working. Brakes are working really well. Nice topper on the back. It actually has custom seating and storage built into the bed. This truck corners well. It doesn't lean very much. Very nice cloth bucket seats in this truck. Well taken care of. There's an extra cushion to sit on, which has protected that seat. If I let go of the wheel, this truck pretty much stays straight. Yeah, she stays where you put it when you let go of the wheel. Nice alignment. This is a four-wheel drive. We got the Supercab. Sliding rear windows. It's a well-optioned truck. Nice quiet ride. Very stock sounding. Use this for a work truck, for a hauler, for road tripping with the kids in the back, if that's legal. Very nice truck. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this F-150 at uniqueclassiccars.com.